How to redeem Spotify gift card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem Spotify gift card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So you can open up your Spotify in a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I will be using my PC's web browser. So simply open up Spotify. You can use your mobile's any web browser as well. You can use your Safari, you can use your Google Chrome on your mobile phone. So after you've opened up your mobile phone Spotify, simply head over to the top right corner where your profile icon is at. Head over to your account option. It will take you to another page like this. And after you're here, scroll down all the way and right under payment section, you should find an option called redeem. Tap on redeem and now you will be redirected to this page right here. Now enter the PIN on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code right here. And after you enter the premium code, you will need to choose your state. Choose your state, and after you do that, use your CAPTCHA and then tap on continue. After you do that, you will have redeemed your code on your Spotify, and that is basically how you do it. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.